Hello plant fella, and welcome to Javaniska Elflora, where we uncover the rare and fascinating wonders of the plant kingdom. Today, let's explore a lesser-known tropical gem, Lepisanthes alata, a tree that may not be as famous as nutmeg or rambutan, but holds its own story as a botanical treasure of Southeast Asia. Let's get started. This plant belongs to the Sapindaceae family, the same family as rambutan, lychee, and longan already. That gives us a clue. We are dealing with a fruit-bearing tree that shares ancestry with some of the world's most beloved tropical fruits. The name alota refers to its wing-like leaflets, beautifully arranged, elegant, and eye-catching when sunlight filters through the canopy. The tree itself can reach 10 to 20 meters in height, with smooth greyish bark and a straight, sturdy trunk. Its compound leaves can hold up to 12 leaflets, glossy and deep green, forming a graceful spread that shades the forest floor. When in bloom, it produces clusters of small, white to yellowish flowers not particularly showy, but essential for pollinators such as bees and small insects. Lepisanthes alata thrives in lowland tropical forests, often among mixed woodlands where tall dipterocarps dominate. It favors moist but well-drained soils and adapts well to both primary and secondary forests. Interestingly, it is not only a wild tree. In many villages, it grows semi-wild, sometimes near homes or community gardens, suggesting a long history of interaction between people and the forest. The fruits are what make this species memorable. They grow in small clusters, turning reddish to purplish when ripe and resemble miniature rambutans without spines. The pulp inside is edible, with a sweet to slightly tangy flavor. Children in rural areas often snack on them while playing, while villagers see them as one of the many seasonal fruits gifted by the forest. And here's an important note for conservationists: the seeds are recalcitrant. This means they cannot be dried or stored for long periods once out of the fruit. They quickly lose their ability to germinate. This makes seed preservation difficult and emphasizes the importance of living collections and in-situ conservation. Though modest in fame, Lepisanthes alata plays a quiet but vital role in its ecosystem. Its fruits attract birds, bats, and small mammals, who in turn disperse the seeds across the forest. This dispersal keeps the species thriving and contributes to overall forest regeneration. Even the flowers, though small, provide nectar to pollinating insects, strengthening the ecological web. Like many tropical trees, its presence supports not just itself, but an entire chain of interactions in the rainforest. In traditional communities across Indonesia, Malaysia, and other parts of Southeast Asia, Lepisanthes alata has long been part of daily life. The fruit, locally known in some areas as jinalan, is consumed fresh and considered a refreshing seasonal snack. In folk practices, the fruit pulp has been used for cooling the body or easing minor digestive discomforts. The wood, while not a commercial timber, is useful in making household tools, stakes, or small crafts, and culturally, the tree is often seen as a symbol of abundance, a reminder that not all forest gifts are grand feasts. Some are simple, everyday fruits that quietly sustain communities. One often overlooked strength of Lepisanthes alata is its role in agroforestry. Planted as a shade or secondary crop in home gardens and mixed farms, it provides canopy cover and helps stabilize soil with its deep roots. By reducing erosion and enriching biodiversity, it becomes an ally in sustainable farming systems. For permaculture enthusiasts and food forest growers, this species holds promise as a supporting fruit tree that adds diversity and resilience to cultivated landscapes. Sadly, like many lesser-known forest trees, Lepisanthes alata faces threats from deforestation, habitat loss, and land conversion. Its status is underdocumented, not listed as endangered globally, but it belongs to the large group of underutilized tropical fruit species that risk being overlooked. Losing it would not only erase a piece of biodiversity, but also remove potential knowledge, nutritional, medicinal, and ecological, that we haven't fully studied yet. Protecting it in both wild forests and cultivated settings is essential for long-term survival. So, Lepisanthes alata may not be found in supermarkets or export markets, but it is a hidden jewel of the forest. Its fruits feed children and wildlife, its branches give shade, and its presence supports the ecological balance of the rainforest. Perhaps the real lesson is this: biodiversity isn't about a few famous species, it's about the countless quiet contributors, and Lepisanthes alata is one of them, part of the timeless orchestra of the tropical forest. Thank you for joining us on today's journey with Javaniska Elflora. If you enjoyed learning about this rare tree, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow plant lovers. And if you are interested in exploring more about rare fruits, or even sourcing seeds when available, feel free to reach out through the links below. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature, one plant at a time.